Good morning, students. Today we will learn how to make a chart in the Excel sheet. The first thing you can see, there is an Excel sheet. You can see it. Okay. In Excel sheet, for making the chart, the first thing you will have to enter the data. Let I am entering the data. The name of the students is Ram, that is Shyam, sorry. Now you can see I have entered the data for the marks of different students of subjects, like Ram has 35 marks in physics, chemistry, maths and Hindi. Now if I want to make the chart of that one, so I will just select them with the help of mouse. Means I am clicking the mouse here and I am just pressing my right button and I am just selecting it. I am just pressing it and I am selecting it like this, for which I want to make the plot. I want to make the chart. For this one data I want to make the chart. As I have just selected it, now go on your insert tab. You can see the tabs on the top. Insert tab. In insert, inside insert, you can see the charts, the different types of chart. You can see recommended charts, there are bar charts, there are different types of charts are there. If I want to take the bar chart, insert column or bar chart, we will just click it. After clicking, we will get in this 2D charts, 2D columns, 2D 3D charts, 2D bar charts you can see, and 3D bar charts you can see here. So I am selecting the 2D chart. You can see I have selected the 2D charts and there is a chart presented on the screen in which you can see the name of Ram, Shyam, Aditi, Megha and Jay is already given, and they are the marks distribution up to the 50. As you can see, I have taken the marks from 35, 41, 46, 39 like this. So they have made it, they have just made it the scale themselves and they are showing it. You can see the series 1 means that is this color. 35 numbers are in physics, so it is showing series 1 is showing you the physics, means you can just compare in the marks of physics. Everyone, you can see his Jay's marks is high. Similarly, series 2 is for your chemistry. Orange color is your chemistry. It's showing you the chemistry. Similarly, you can see the all 4 subjects are compiled together in the form of chart. You can select any type of chart, means you can just change its background, because you can see at the menu bar there are different types of charts are there. You can select any one of them. Whichever you will select, you will get these type of charts. There are so many ranges in this. In which form they are presentable, you will select it. Okay, that is the method of making the chart. In this, see in this I have just put it the number also. That is also one form of chart. You can see here you have some buttons for the editing. Chart style you can insert from it. In the chart style are also there are colors can be changed. You want to change the color, it can be changed. There are some combination of colors you can change according to this. These are some combinations. You can see as I am not clicking, I am just putting the mouse there and the colors changes. It is showing the pattern in which form it will come. It can be doing by this editing method. Chart styles, in chart styles they are coming. Okay, so this is the method how you can make the chart in your Microsoft Excel. See this and read it from the book properly, because this practical you can do only then when you would be able to do the practicals. So we will continue with next in next term. See that one and just try to understand it.